A little, yeah. We've got a lot of humidity here, and the temperatures have warmed up quite a bit. We're supposed to be close to 80 degrees. Yeah, we're at 86 today for our high temperature. Woke up to 61, and yes, across the board, we're still pretty much in the 80s. A little cooler in Port Washington and Racine. A little bit of a lake direction to your wind, but look at the dew points. Those are at 70 degrees. Milwaukee, Waukesha, 75-degree dew point in Watertown. This is a tropical feel to the air, so you put those with the temperatures. It feels like some places are in the 90s. Feels like 91 in Fond du Lac. Feels like 92 in Watertown. 89 right now in Milwaukee. So yes, certainly a feel of summer to the air, all thanks to a southerly wind that is pumping up the heat, pumping up the humidity, and this is all ahead of a cold front that is situated just to our north and to our west. You can see a lot of this activity though is diminishing though as it gets closer and closer to us. So future forecast timing things out for you by about 8 o'clock, starting to watch those showers and thunderstorms again diminish a little bit after sunset. That's when we'll watch them swing on through southeastern Wisconsin. You could still get a downpour, mainly not north of I-94 before about 1 a.m. tonight. But then we're going to be looking at maybe a lingering shower early tomorrow. But overall, we'll be watching the skies clear. It will just be a warm and sticky Wednesday before Wednesday night. A big little complex of storms will kind of swing through. Exact placement of this is a little bit sketchy at the moment. Right now, computer models, some of them are bringing it mainly to our south and to our west. A couple of them bringing it right through southeastern Wisconsin, which would give us a bigger chance to see some more flooding problems. But very active weather ahead. We'll look at chances for thunderstorms off and on throughout the next several days. Tomorrow looking like the driest out of the next couple. And again, computer models are still spread on how much rain we're expected to get. About 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch looks to be the best bet as we get into your Friday. That's total, unless we get that big complex on top of us Wednesday night. For tonight, though, 68, warm, muggy again. Showers and thunderstorms developing. They will be weakening in intensity. And again, most of that activity should be north of 94. Then to tomorrow, we're looking at a high around 81 degrees. It will be warm and sticky, and after a lingering shower, I think most of your day staying dry until after about your hoses. I think a lot of kids out enjoying the pools, the sprinklers, especially after some kind of cool days, at least for July. 87 for our high today. And yes, some of that sticky, sweltering weather is sticking around. So if you like the summer, the next couple of days are for you. And we do have some chances for some thunderstorms. However, they're not going to be all day long. The thing that we're all going to be feeling certainly is the heat and humidity. So here's what it feels like outside. Still feels like 83 right now in Milwaukee, 81 in Waukesha. So that's combining the temp and the dew point. Still current temperature of 80 degrees in Milwaukee. That's our average high for this time of the year. 75 though in Shorewood with a light wind from the south. That's what's been bringing in the heat and humidity. We did watch one round of showers and thunderstorms swing through our northern counties. Did not bring severe weather. However, watching some stronger thunderstorms off to our north and to our west. Kind of put a tracker on this. They are moving to the southeast at about 35 miles an hour. So shouldn't be into the Milwaukee area until about 12:45, 1 o'clock in the morning if they hang together. However, I'm expecting them to lose a lot of their intensity as they get closer to us. The dew points incredibly high, right around 70 degrees in Waukesha, 75 out in Watertown. A little bit of a dip in the dews for tomorrow. They'll be back in the 60s, which is still humid, but back into the steamy 70s for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That just kind of tells you how our weather pattern is shaping up. It's going to be warm, humid, and relatively active. Here's a look across the state. Again, that line of showers and thunderstorms expected to diminish as it swings down to the south and to the east. Most of that will diminish by morning tomorrow. Then we'll call it partly cloudy, warm, and sticky. Daytime hours staying dry. Watching this little line of thunderstorms very carefully. A lot of computer models bringing it down to our south and to our west. However, few of them bringing it into southeastern Wisconsin. That could give us some really heavy rain late Wednesday night. But then as we head into your Thursday, another chance for some hit and miss scattered showers and thunderstorms. So how much rain are we expecting all the way through Friday in the rain gauge? I think by the time we get to Thursday afternoon, up to about 1/2 inch. Then we get into your Friday and even into the weekend, some places could see more than 1 inch of rain in the gauge. So we're watching this situation very carefully, of course, especially with all the flooding troubles down to the south. Overnight, though, again, those scattered thunderstorms diminishing in intensity. 68 warm, mild, sticky degrees for our overnight low, then a high of 80.